Vay görmedim oğlum Facebook'ta resmi motoru. O motoru alıyorlar, böyle bir motoru kapatıyorlar her tarafını.
Between, you know, like when you're very good, like what she did the first time, it's a little bit more like a hesitation. But this time it was just kind of. You guys, mind backing up a little bit, please? Very slight, you know, well.